Hey, this is Sean, and you're very close to jumping into the webinar. There's three things that I want you to do before we get into the webinar. One, silence your phone. I want your full attention. I think it's very important that when you're in the webinar, I'm going to give you so much great content that I need you to focus on what I'm offering. So if you can silence your phone or turn it off, try to stay off the social media. Don't go to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, anything like that. Give me your full attention and you'll be happy you did. Secondly, try to isolate yourself. If you're in an area where there's other people that can interrupt you, it's going to affect you taking in the content that I'm giving you. And I want one-on-one time with you. So please isolate yourself, find a place where you can have full focus on the video, on the webinar, and you'll be very happy that you did. So if you can follow those two rules, go ahead and put your name and email, and we're going to jump you right into the webinar, and you can start listening to all the amazing things. And the idea here is to show you exactly how you can earn a multi-six-figure income this year with little work. And by the way, you're using other people's money. It's a phenomenal way to make money, and you're going to find out today. So follow the two rules, put your name and email, and I'll see you on the inside.